Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. So I decided I wanted to do crochet. I've not done crochet in a long time and the weather is getting colder, so I wanted to just do a protective style because November and December is quite busy for me. So why don't we do this? Okay, I got this hair that I'm going to show you. I got it for a penny, 1 cent, 1 penny, and I paid 17 pennies for this whole set. Okay, I got 17 bags of hair. So this is it. So this is what the hair looks like. I bought it with my own money. It's the Lulu Tress So Much Volume 2X, and it is the 4C Whirly hair. So this is what it looks like, and yeah, it has different shades and different color. So this is my braid pattern. I'm gonna show you. I have one small one out, so let me just crochet this in like this. Just pull it through, okay, like that. I'm gonna pull it through the other side too, so that it connects and goes under. Okay, so that is it. So I've secured it. So this is the braid pattern. Hopefully you can see it. That's what the braid pattern looks like. Hopefully you could see that. Yeah, so we're just gonna start doing this. Before we do it, I'm gonna use my Sunny Isle Rosemary Mint Oil to put it on my scalp, because you know I want to just make sure my scalp has some kind of oil on it. And this is a hair growth oil that is very, very good. It has been working for me with my bald spot, so it works for me. You know, you can try it out if you want to. Okay, so I'm just gonna massage like that. Easy does it. Okay, so we're gonna start doing the style. And I wanted to, I didn't even know I was gonna do this band hair, but I wanted to show people how to cornrow their hair going this way. So that's why I have this band. Normally you don't even want to have this, you just want all your hair going back, but I didn't want too much tension on my edges, so doing something like this removes the tension from your edges. So let's start this. I'm gonna bring out the hair and show you what it looks like. I've had this hair for like, I believe, 2 years. I got it during Black Friday, that is why it is a penny. So this is what the hair looks like. It's 4 color, perfect 4 color, very beautiful. Yeah, this is the brand if you want to get it, and I also put a link to it in the below. So let us start this. Take out the first batch, and they come on this stick or this straw, the hole. So each pack is netted. This is cool. I've never had hair like this, that each pack comes netted together. So it comes in a net like that. So that is, and it's nice and soft, very, very soft. So let's take one out and I'll show you how that looks like. I didn't expect it to be netted. That's cool. That's very, very cool. So this is what the whole looks like. So let's do the first one. I'm gonna do the first one over here just to see how it looks. Okay, put the hook in, you pass it like that, take it out. Now, because I've never done hair like this, I'm gonna twirl this around, okay, and see if I can pass it through. I don't know if is it gonna pass through? Oh, I'm really nervous about this hair. I'm really nervous about this hair. So pre-hooked. So let's see how pre-loop, pre-hooked. Okay, let me take out my crochet and then see if I can pass it through. Okay, let's try that again. Let's try that again. I don't think I got it the right way. Okay, I figured it out. So this is the loop like this. So what you do is that this is the loop like this. So what you do is that you open it up. See, it opens up to make it bigger. See, it opens up. Wow. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna loop it in. So let's take it. Let's start again. I'm gonna loop it in. Take that, hook that in like that. Put that through. I'll take my hair. Okay. And then I'm gonna take it. I don't even know if I'm doing the right way. I should have searched online. Just gonna take this, take everything, and see if I can pass everything through like that. Yeah. Okay, so once I pass everything through, just take it and then pull it through. So this is gonna take some learning, but we'll figure it out. This is gonna take some learning. So I guess this is why it was. So doing this, I would not advise you to do this by yourself. I advise you to have someone else do it for you, because it's a bit of a handful. You guys can see I'm struggling through doing it. Okay, so pass it through. Okay, so this is the first one. So did I get it right? Okay, I think I'll do better. I don't even know if I got it right, and I don't have my mirror here. Did I get it right? Did I get it right? Yeah. Okay. And I hope this hair doesn't tangle.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Okay, so I'm sort of done. I used 3.5 packs of hair. This is the other half that I've not yet used. And what I notice is I don't want it to be too full. I think this is a nice size. I've not shaped it, I've not trimmed it. Now it says that this is wiry, see, it's wiry 4C hair, T1B 30 color. This is not 4C, this is more like 4A. I think, I don't know, it's not 4C because look at the curls close up. Let me show you the curls. So this is not 4C, but needless to say, I do like how it comes out. It looks really good with my complexion and stuff. I noticed there's a gap here and I didn't want to open up another pack of hair. So what I'm gonna do to close up this gap is I'm gonna take part of the hair like this. Let me make it close up. So I'm gonna take part of the hair, get my mirror, take part of the hair like this, and I'm gonna crochet this over, kind of pulling it over to the other side. So just take it and then just crochet it in like that. Take it and pull it through like that. And I'm gonna keep on doing that to kind of, I'm just gonna take it from all over. Gonna take some from the top area without disrupting it because I don't want, and I'm just gonna pull it through, crochet it in and pull it through. Okay, and as you can see, you can't see that part. I think I covered it okay. So this is how it looks like. This is how it's styled. I don't know, what do you guys think? My one, so overall I spent this is 3 cents. So this hairstyle is 3 cents and a half. What is half of a cent? 3 cents and a half. Okay, so I put some small makeup on, just something little. So this is what it looks like in front. So yeah, I absolutely like it. It's very lightweight, very lightweight. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will drop the link where you can get it, but you can't get it for a penny. I'm just saying. So, but thank you so much for watching. Feel free to share this and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.